Hey English learners, welcome back to Speak Fluent English. Today I've got 50 tricky English questions for you. Some are easy, some will make you think twice. You'll have 4 options for each question. Take a few seconds, pick your answer, then I'll reveal the correct one. Grab a pen, keep your score, and let's start. Okay, so let's start. No cheating. Okay, question. 1. Which sentence is correct? A. She don't like coffee. B. She doesn't like coffee. C. She doesn't like coffee. D. She not like coffee. Question 2. Choose the correct plural form of child. A. Childs. B. Children. C. Childs. D. Children's. Question 3. Which word is the synonym of rapid? A. Slow. B. Fast. C. Heavy. D. Sad. Question 4. Find the correct sentence. A. He go to school every day. B. He goes to school every day. C. He going to school every day. D. He gone to school every day. Question 5. Which of these is a correct comparative form? A. More better. B. Gooder. C. Better. D. Bestest. Question 6. Identify the correct spelling. A. Accommodate. B. Accommodate. C. Accommodate. D. Accommodate. Question 7. Which sentence is in the past perfect tense? A. I eat breakfast. B. I had eaten breakfast. C. I am eating breakfast. D. I was eating breakfast. Question 8. Choose the correct option. If I prologue you, I would apologize. A was B, was C, am D, B. Question 9. Which of these is an antonym of scarce? A. Rare. B. Abundant. C. Few. D. Little. Question 10. Find the correct sentence. A. Neither of the answers are correct. B. Neither of the answers is correct. C. Neither answer is correct. D. Neither answers is correct. Question 11. Pick the right article. She bought Gagchin orange. A, B, and C, the D, no article. Question 12. Which sentence is in the passive voice? A. The chef cooked the meal. B. The meal was cooked by the chef. C. The chef is cooking the meal. D. The meal is cooking. Question 13. Choose the correct spelling. A. Occurrence. B. Occurrence. C. Occurrence. D. Occurrence. Question 14. Which sentence uses a conditional? A. I play football every day. B. If it rains, we will stay inside. C. He is playing football. D. I have played football. Question 15. Which is the correct reported speech? He said, I am tired. A. He said he is tired. B. He said he was tired. C. He said he tired. D. He said he has tired. Question 16. What is the opposite of victory? A. Loss. B. Defeat. C. Failure. D. All of the above. Question 17. Pick the correct preposition. He is afraid. They snakes. A for B of C with D from question 18. Which is the superlative form of beautiful? A. Most beautiful. B. More beautiful. C. Beautifulest. D. Beautifulest. Question 19. Choose the correct sentence. A. Each of the boys have a pen. B. Each of the boys has a pen. C. Each boys have a pen. D. Each boys has a pen. Question 20. Which word is a noun? A. Run. B. Quickly. C. Happiness. D. Jump. We're 20 questions in. How many have you got right so far? If you're enjoying this quiz, hit like and share it with your friends. All right, Ely, let's keep going. Which is correct? A. I have visited London last year. B. I visited London last year. C. I had visited London last year. D. I was visiting London last year. Question 22. Choose the correct spelling. A. Definitely. B. Definitely. C. Defiantly. D. Definitely. Question 23. Which is a synonym of angry? A. Calm. B. Furious. C. Gentle. D. Happy. Question 24. Find the correct sentence. A. The team are winning. B. The team is winning. C. The team be winning. D. The team were winning. Question 25. Which is the correct past tense of teach? A. Teached. B. Teach. C. Taught. D. Taughted. Question, do pick the correct sentence. A. She's married with a doctor. B. She's married to a doctor. C. She married with a doctor. D. She married at a doctor. Question 27. Which of these is a countable noun? A. Water. B. Sugar. C. Chair. D. Rice. Question 28. Choose the correct question tag. You're a student. Are just A. Is you. B. Are you. C. Aren't you. D. Not you. Question 29. Which is the opposite of increase? A. Expand. B. Reduce. C. Multiply. D. Extend. Question 30. Pick the correct sentence. A. I have been knowing her for years. B. I have known her for years. C. I knew her for years. D. I knowing her for years. Question 31. Which word is an adjective? A. Quickly. B. Beautiful. C. Happiness. D. Sing. Question 32. Choose the correct preposition. They arrived at the airport on time. A. In. B. To see. At. D. On. Question 33. Which is a synonym of begin? A. Start. B. Stop. C. End. D. Close. Question 34. Find the correct sentence. A. She's more taller than me. B. She's taller than me. C. She taller than me. D. She is tallest than me. Question 35. Pick the correct spelling. A. Embarrass. B. Embarrass. C. Embarrass. D. Embarrass. Question on 36. Which is the plural of mouse? A. Mouses. B. Mice. C. Mices. D. Mouse. Question 37. Choose the correct option. She eluded to the gym every morning. A. Go. B. Goes. C. Going. D. Gone. Question 38. Which is the antonym of ancient? A. Modern. B. Old. C. Historic. D. Past. Question 39. Find the correct sentence. A. I look forward to meet you. B. I look forward to meeting you. C. I look forward meeting you. D. I look forward meet you. Question 40. Which is correct? A. Less people attended the meeting. B. Fewer people attended the meeting. C. Fewest people attended the meeting. D. Lesser people attended the meeting. So, how did you do? Comment your score below. I'm waiting to see the champions. If you enjoyed this quiz, subscribe for more fun English challenges every week. Thanks for playing, and I'll see you in the next video. Till then, keep learning, keep growing, and keep speaking fluent English.